Number 1. 1978 Pontiac Firebird, $23,000, Scottsdale, Cave Creek, Arizona. This 1978 Pontiac Firebird is offered at $23,000 in Scottsdale and Cave Creek, Arizona, and stands as a strong value in the rising second-generation Firebird market. Finished in blue with a clean title and rear-wheel drive, it is powered by a 383-stroker V8 paired with an automatic transmission, delivering impressive torque and a deep late 1970s muscle car sound. It runs well and features upgrades including a newer interior, cold air conditioning, and classic Craigar wheels. As a rust-free Arizona car with documented ownership history, it represents a well-sorted driver blending classic style with upgraded performance. Number 2. 1968 Triumph GT6 MK1, $22,500, Eagle Rock, Los Angeles, California. Offered at $22,500 in Eagle Rock, Los Angeles, California, this 1968 Triumph GT6 MK1 is an exceptionally clean and unmodified example of one of Britain's most charming sports coupes. Powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine, with dual Stromberg carburetors and a manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive coupe shows 65,668 miles and carries a clean title. Finished in yellow with chrome wire wheels and new tires, the car features re-chromed bumpers, a beautiful wood dash, leather seats, and a period-correct working radio. The stainless steel exhaust system and strong drivetrain add to its reliability and drivability. As a California black plate car with a rust-free body, it holds added collector appeal. The GT6 is often described as a mini E-Type due to its fastback styling, and this well-preserved example captures that spirit beautifully. Number 3. 1971 RS Camaro, $24,000, Council Bluffs, Iowa. Priced at $24,000 in Council Bluffs, Iowa, this 1971 RS Camaro is an early second-generation example powered by a 350 V8 with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The odometer reads 52,287 miles, though it has rolled over. Garage stored since 2007, it runs strong and features a vinyl top, clean interior, good glass, and factory air conditioning equipment not currently connected. The Rally Sport trim adds desirable styling, making it an honest classic Chevrolet driver. Number 4. 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS, $25,000, Llano, Texas. Located in Llano, Texas, and priced at $25,000, this 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS is a highly modified street machine built for serious performance. Under the hood sits a massive 502 cubic inch solid roller V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission and backed by a 3.73 posi-traction rear end with heavy-duty axles and C-clip eliminators. This is far beyond factory specifications and firmly places the car in pro-street territory. Additional upgrades include hooker headers, a 3-inch exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers, 4-wheel disc brakes, a Dakota digital dash, a new fuel tank, and a Lunati camshaft with roller rockers. The odometer is broken, and the paint is described as fair, but the mechanical investment is substantial. For buyers wanting extreme horsepower in a classic compact muscle platform, this Nova delivers raw power and serious street presence. Number 5. 1975 Pontiac Firebird, $25,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1975 Pontiac Firebird is listed at $25,000 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and is described as a largely original survivor with 61,000 original miles. Powered by a 350 V8 and automatic transmission, it runs and drives exceptionally well. With a clean title and strong overall condition, this mid-1970s Firebird offers collectability and usability, and the seller is willing to ship. Number 6. 1972 International Scout II, $25,000, Willow Glen, Cambrian, San Jose, California. Offered at $25,000 in San Jose, California, this 1972 International Scout II is a rugged four-wheel drive SUV powered by a tuned 304 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission with twin-stick transfer case. It features Dana differentials, 3.92 gearing, spring-over axle suspension, 35-inch Wrangler tires, rhino-lined interior, and a full family roll cage. With 50,000 miles shown, it is positioned as an adventure-ready classic. Number 7. 1964 Cadillac Coupe Deville, $25,000, Fallbrook, California. Priced at $25,000 and located in Fallbrook, California, this 1964 Cadillac Coupe Deville is a striking example of 1960s American luxury. Powered by the 429 cubic inch V8 engine, which debuted in 1964, and paired with an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive coupe represents the peak of Cadillac's classic-era styling and engineering. With 45,000 miles showing and a largely original interior rated very highly by the seller, the car features bright chrome, a silver exterior, and impressive overall condition. The air conditioning is not functioning, but most other components, including the dash clock, are reported to work properly. The 1964 model year is especially desirable due to mechanical upgrades and refined styling, making this Coupe de Ville a strong collector-grade cruiser. Number 8. 1953 Cadillac 60 Special, $22,000, Dallas, Texas. Located in Dallas, Texas at $22,000, this 1953 Cadillac 60 Special is powered by a rebuilt 350 V8 with about 3,000 miles since completion, paired with a Hydra-matic automatic transmission. With power windows, new tires, and a largely original interior, it runs and drives solidly, but will need paint work and has non-operational air conditioning. Number 9. 1953 Studebaker Commander Skyliner, $25,000, Allen, Texas. This 1953 Studebaker Commander Skyliner is priced at $25,000 in Allen, Texas. Restored with a 1990s LT1 V8, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, it blends classic styling with modern drivability. With 20,000 miles shown and a clean title, it offers updated performance in a distinctive early 1950s coupe design. Number 10. 1956 Mercury Monterey Woody Wagon, $22,000, Riverside, California. Offered at $22,000 in Riverside, California, this 1956 Mercury Monterey Woody Wagon is described as a rare, low-production example retaining factory paint and approximately 90% original interior. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive wagon reflects the height of mid-1950s American family transportation with upscale Mercury styling. Recent maintenance includes an Edelbrock carburetor, fuel pump, exhaust system, and shocks, while the original carburetor and air cleaner are included. It also comes with original year of manufacture California plates and the original Mercury maintenance manual. With around 100,000 miles, this wagon stands as a true time capsule. Original examples of mid-1950s Mercury wagons are increasingly difficult to find, making this a distinctive and collectible classic.